To unpair a Schlage Z-Wave lock from a Logitech Harmony Home Hub with extender, we open our Logitech Harmony app on our mobile device. We tap on Devices. We tap on Edit Devices. We tap on the thing which is associated with our Schlage Z-Wave lock, which in my case is Door. We tap on Remove Device. We tap on Yes. We tap on Remove Device from Z-Wave network. We tap on Continue. We proceed by pressing on the Schlage button of our Schlage Z-Wave lock, followed by inserting our unique programming code, which you can find on our sticker on your installation instructions. And we finish by tapping on 0. The Logitech Harmony app will show a confirmation message that the device has been successfully removed from the Logitech Harmony Home Hub's extender Z-Wave network. We tap on Done. We have hereby successfully unpaired a Schlage Z-Wave lock from a Logitech Harmony Home Hub with extender.